Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben. Hello, friends. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today, we have a very fun topic. We will talk about a bucket list.
A bucket list is a list of things you want to do before you die or before you are too old.
Yes, it's like your dream list. Things you want to try, places you want to see, goals you want to reach.
Exactly. Everyone's bucket list is different. Some people want to travel. Some people want to learn something new. Some people want adventure.
Today, we will share some ideas for a bucket list, practice vocabulary, and you can think about your own bucket list too.
Let's start with vocabulary. The word travel means to go from one place to another, usually far.
Repeat after me, listeners. Travel.
Very good. Another word is adventure. Adventure means an exciting experience, something new and special.
Repeat. Adventure.
Excellent. Another word is goal. A goal is something you want to achieve or do.
Repeat after me. Goal.
Perfect.
Okay, Ben. What is one thing on your bucket list?
One thing on my bucket list is to travel to Japan
That's a good one. Why Japan?
because I love Japanese food, culture, and history. I want to see Tokyo, Kyoto, and Mount Fuji.
Nice. Listeners, repeat after me. I want to travel to Japan.
Great. Now, Emma, what about you?
One thing on my bucket list is to learn how to play the piano.
Oh, that's wonderful. Music is always a good dream.
Yes, I love music, and I think the piano is beautiful.
Let's give more examples for our listeners. Here are some common bucket list ideas. Travel to another country, learn a new language, go skydiving, that means jump from an airplane with a parachute, write a book, run a marathon. That's a very long race, about 42 kilometers.
Yes, those are very popular. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I want to travel to another country.
I want to learn a new language.
I want to go skydiving.
I want to write a book.
I want to run a marathon.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about smaller bucket list items too. Not everything has to be big.
True. For example, one small dream on my list is to cook a perfect cake.
That's a sweet dream. For me, I want to see the sunrise on a beach.
Beautiful. Listeners, think. What small dreams do you have?
Maybe you want to learn how to swim or ride a bike, or sing in front of people.
Yes, those are also great bucket list ideas.
Let's practice useful phrases for bucket lists.
Good idea. Repeat after us. One thing on my bucket list is,
I want to.
before I die, I would like to.
My dream is to. Excellent. These are good ways to start your sentences.
Then, do you have any adventure dreams on your bucket list?
Yes, I want to go skydiving. It looks scary, but exciting.
Wow, that's brave. I think I want to ride in a hot air balloon.
That sounds amazing. You can see the world from above.
Yes, I think it would be peaceful and beautiful.
Listeners, repeat after me. I want to ride in a hot air balloon.
Good job.
Now, Emma, do you have any travel dreams?
Yes, I want to visit Paris. I want to see the Eiffel Tower.
Nice. And I want to visit Egypt and see the pyramids.
Great. Listeners, repeat after us. I want to visit Paris.
I want to see the pyramids in Egypt.
Excellent. Now let's talk about learning goals.
Yes. For example, I want to learn Spanish.
Or, I want to learn how to dance.
Listeners, try this one. I want to learn how to cook.
Good. Another example, I want to learn how to paint.
Okay, friends, let's make this interactive. Think of 3 things for your own bucket list. Say them aloud.
For example, I can say, one thing on my bucket list is to travel to Italy. Another thing is to learn piano. The last thing is to ride in a hot air balloon.
Very good. My 3 are travel to Japan, go skydiving, write a book.
Now, it's your turn, listeners. Take a moment, say 3 things.
Great job.
Let's review today's important words.
Travel, adventure, goal, skydiving, marathon, hot air balloon.
And some useful phrases. One thing on my bucket list is,
I want to. My dream is to.
very good. Friends, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes, we had fun talking about dreams and bucket lists.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it.
That way, you will get more English lessons every week.
Remember, it's good to dream. Even small dreams are important.
And you can practice English while talking about your dreams.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.